The next topic from this chapter is section formula. The coordinate of a point that divides the line segment joining the points x1, y1, x2, y2 x internally in the ratio m is to n is given by x equal to mx2 plus nx1 and y equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So what is given in the question, that is a section formula, means a line AB is given. I'll show the line A and B are the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. See, this is the line A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, right? Now it is given that the 2 points are divided internally, means inside portion one point is there, that is P. Its coordinate is x comma y, right? So P divides the line A and B in the ratio m1 and m2. So this side AP the ratio is m1, the PB the ratio is m2. This is the question is given. Now what is the purpose of the question, means we should find out what is this values in terms of coordinate for this x and y. So here what we should do means we have to draw the perpendiculars A to x axis, P to x axis, then B to x axis. So the first 3 perpendiculars we have drawn, let it be the points are R, S, T. Again in the same way we have to draw the perpendicular from A to PS, that is AQ. Similarly from P to BT, that is C, PC, then here AQ, right? These are the constructions. So once again the line AB is divided by P in the ratio m1 m2, where A is the coefficient, A is the coordinate having x1 y1 and B is the coordinate is x2 y2. So that is the first step for you. Again the perpendiculars we have to draw, which are the perpendicular AR, PS and BT to the x axis, AR, PS and BT to the x axis, AQ perpendicular to PS and PC perpendicular to BT. So we have to write the points what we have done here. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, P x comma y divides AB internally in the ratio m1 to m2. Next, PA by PB, if you consider, it is equal to m1 by m2. Now what we have done, draw AR, PS, BT perpendicular to x axis. Also AQ perpendicular to PS, PC perpendicular to BT. Next, by AA similarity criterion, because these two angles are 90 degree only and therefore these two lines are parallel. Again these two angles if you consider corresponding angles only. So now we can take that by AA criteria triangle PAQ similar to triangle BPC. So A criteria means two angles should be equal. You have learned in the chapter triangle itself. Now we can take down PA by BP equal to AQ by PC equal to PQ by BC. So we know that the sides are in proportion. So when the triangle similarity criteria we have used, the sides are in proportion only, not the equals, because congruency criteria they are equal, but in a similarity criteria you have know that the sides are in proportion. So you must revise this topic in the triangle chapter. Already we know that PA by BP is M1 by M2 only. What is AQ now? AQ means this distance, right? So from origin OS, what is the coordinate X? See, O to S, this is the distance X only. So it is X minus this much distance over, which is that distance x1, x minus x1, PC. What is the distance for PC? Means from here to here only. So the total distance OT is x2 minus, we want up to P only, so OS is X only. So M1 by M2 equal to X minus X1 by Y, X2 minus X. Once again, if you are not followed the X coordinate, you can go for the Y coordinate. PQ is the distance required. PQ means up to this, right? What is the total height of SP? SP is Y minus SQ, that is y1. See that this coordinate is y1. Now what is BC? BC means up to here only. So we are taking the total distance minus this. So what is the total distance? y2 minus TC. TC coordinate you consider, that is y only. So we got the ratio as M1 by M2 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Now we are taking the first two ratios, that is m1 by m2 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x, implies cross multiplication m1 x2 minus m1 x equal to m2 x minus m2 x1. So x coordinate we are making on one side. So here already m2x is there. I am taking to this side plus m1x. Here m1x2 minus m2x1. Right? So sorry, plus it is. Now what is the common here? Here nothing is common, m1 x2 m2 x1. So we cannot do anything. We are keeping like this only. M1 x2 plus m2 x1 equal to, now what is common here? X common, m1 plus m2, right? So now x value we want, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. See, one means another one is 2. m1 x2, m2 we are taking, then x1 is the coordinate. Now m1 plus m2, we got the value for x. Now similarly we have to get the value for y also. Similarly m1 by m2 equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. From where we got it is a first and the third ratio. So by cross multiplying, m1 y2 minus m1 y equal to m2 y minus m2 y1, implies m1 y2 plus m2 y1. m2 y already there, then y coordinate we are bringing to, y terms we are bringing to this side, it is m1 y. Now m1 started, then y2, m2 started, then y1 equal to y common m2 plus m1. So what is the value for y now? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we got the coordinate of y also. So what we learned today, px comma y divides AB, where A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. And also P divides AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. Then x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. It's a coordinate, and this is known as section formula. So I think little bit difficult is there for understanding, but it is easy only. If you learn the distance formula, section formula also we can learn. Till now in a single question paper proof has come, but if we learn how to derive this formula, means how to derive this coordinate, then it is easy to remember for solving the problems. So once again I will show the diagram. AB is the line segment divided by P in the ratio m1 is to m2, and where coordinates you check x1 y1, x2 y2, and P coordinate is x comma y. Now we are going to find what is the coordinate of x and y. For that, what we are doing, similarity criteria we are using and the ratio we are forming. So what we are getting the similarity criteria here, PA by BP equal to AQ by PC equal to PQ by BC. So each one we are calculating. PA by BP is our ratio, only m1 by m2. Now AQ we have to calculate. I'll write here how, what is the AQ there. AQ equal to OS minus OR. Right? What is OS? From origin to S, what is the horizontal distance? That is x minus x1, because OR is the distance from O to R, that is horizontal distance x1. Clear now? It is now. Now similarly PC we should write. PC means, see the diagram, it is from the origin, it is OT minus OP. OT equal to the horizontal distance is x2. So x2 minus OP is x. Similarly the y coordinate, if you understood the x coordinate then it is easy. Now we are substituting the values, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Change is this much only, x becomes y, right? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Now first and the second ratio we are calculating x value, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. See, m1 we are starting, then the x will be 2, x2, m2 we are writing, then x will be 1. 1 and 2 relations we are getting. Here sum of the ratios equal to x. While doing the sum you can remember easily the formula also. Now similarly the y coordinate we can calculate. Now based on section formula, types of questions will be asked different types. So sometimes the question will be asked for what is the ratio. So such type of the questions we should use this formula only. So when we learn the section formula, it is given that m1 and m2 are the ratios. When the question is asked for finding the ratio, we should take that k is to 1. One is k, another one is 1. That means instead of m1 it is k and instead of m2 it is 1. So if the ratio in which P divides AB is k:1, the coordinates of the point P is given by kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. If you remember the formula, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, right? Similarly, what is the y value? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now, instead of m1 it is k, instead of m2 it is 1. So, k x2 plus 1x1 by k plus 1. This is the change. So, if you understood x value, y is the same only. So, remember this formula, you have to learn by heart. Kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. What is the next point? Coordinate of the midpoint P of joining ax1 y1 bx2 y2 is 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1, 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1, or we can say x2 plus x1 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2. That means, so what is the meaning of this? Means when we are taking a midpoint, see A and B, P is the midpoint. It divides 1:1. When it is 2, it is 2:2. When it is 3, it is also 3. This midpoint means it is equally dividing. So once again, I'll show the formula. What is the formula? A and B, the point is P. A, what is the point they are taken? x1 y1, B x2 y2. What is P? X comma y. Right, the first case what we have taken, m1 m2 are the ratios. Now what we learned, the formula x comma y equal to x value we are writing first. So m2 I am writing first. M2 if I am taking x1 is the coordinate, m2 for second ratio, then first coordinate x1 plus m1, next ratio m1 I am writing, then x2 coordinate I am writing, divided by m1 plus m2. How we are writing the coordinate? This is the easy way to remember the formula. When we are writing the second ratio, the coordinate will be the from the first point. See, m2 far away coordinate, not the close one. m2 x2 we cannot write. m2 if you are taking, x1 we are taken, right? Next m1 I have taken, x2 will be written. This is the coordinate. Similarly, if we without looking we can write now, m2 we are starting, y coordinate we can write m2 y1 plus m1 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now what is the midpoint case? When it is midpoint, m1 equal to what value we are choosing? m2 is also the same only, right? So if it is dividing 1:1 form, so 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2 divided by 1 plus 1, right? 1 into y1 plus 1 into y2 divided by 1 plus 1. So x1 plus x2 by 2 whole divided by 2 only. Now similarly, what is the y value? y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the midpoint we got. Now some children will have the doubt, if instead of 1, what happened to if it is divided in the ratio 2:2? Then what will happen to the midpoint formula? So we will draw the diagram A, B, P. This time it divides in the ratio 2:2 only. Coordinates are same only. x1, y1, x comma y, x2, y2. So first I will write a section formula. So section formula x comma y equal to, right? But I should start a second ratio, that is m2. I will write the general formula first. m2 x1 plus m1 x2 whole divided by x1 plus x2, m2 y1 plus m1 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now the ratio is 2:2. So 2 into x1 plus 2 into x2 divided by 2 plus 2. 2 into y1 plus 2 into y2 divided by 2 plus 2. So 2 is common. 2 into x1 plus x2 by 4. Similarly, y1 plus y2 with the 2 common divided by 4. 2 and 4 will get cancelled. Again you are getting the same formula, which is that formula x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2, y1 plus y2 whole divided by 2. So this is called a midpoint section formula. Whenever the midpoint question is asked, you have to use this formula only. So x1 first coordinate plus second coordinate divided by 2, and first coordinate plus second coordinate divided by 2 for the y also. The midpoints section formula it is. With this, today's class I am winding up. Thank you.